Welcome back to another one, guys. The first thing I think of when I think of Brabus is G63 Widestar or XLP, these like really shouty, loud, kind of in-your-face cars. The reality is there's like a whole subsection of what Brabus do, which is just way more understated than that. And it's the kind of thing where, unless you know what you're looking for, you probably wouldn't even notice that it's there. And there are a lot of our customers that really appreciate that kind of under the radar approach. And that's very much what we've done with this E63S. So what have we done? We've done wheels with a spacer at the front. We've done carbon fiber. We've done an exhaust, and then we've also done the power kit. But you'll notice that it's got like one Brabus badge on the boot. It's not even particularly clearly branded on the wheels. It looks very OEM, but it just looks a lot beefier than the original E63S. And in fact, you know, this guy's got everything on the car that it's possible to have for this car in terms of the exterior. So, you know, if you're looking for wide arch body kits and stuff like that, that's very much not the right approach for you, or this brand's not the right approach for you. What we'll do is we'll go whip around the car, we'll have a look at what we've installed, we'll have a talk about the exhaust and the wheels and all that kind of stuff. But, you know, as per usual, if you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, give us a subscribe, and we'd, as always, love to hear what you think in the comments below. So I guess the first thing to talk about are these monoblock Y wheels, and you can tell they're the Ys by these kind of Y motifs that they have on them. These are 21-inch, and they're the Platinum edition, which is why they've got that plaque down there. And the reason we went for silver was the brief on this car was as OEM as possible. So we matched the silver here with the fender sort of badge arch things here, and then also the silver around the windows. The one thing that this customer didn't spec was the lowering module. And as you know, as you can see, it just doesn't really need it. Maybe if you're on the Autobahn in Germany and you've got velvet roads, it would be fantastic. But for roads like this, we don't need the car to be any lower than it already is. And the next thing we'll do is we'll go have a look at the carbon that we've installed on the front. So we've done two pieces of carbon fiber at the front. The first one of these attachments here, which go around the air intake. And then the second one is this massive chin spoiler, which goes across the whole front of the car. There's one thing that we haven't done at the front, which is you can get a Brabus badge for here. But again, the customer wanted to keep the whole OEM fascia together. And the nice thing about all of these carbon bits is that they really stick with the AMG design language. You know, this doesn't look like something from Liberty Walk. You know, it looks much more like something that AMG could have produced, just a little bit more angry. And then we'll have a look at the diffuser as well. So at the back, we've done a couple of different things. We fitted this rear lip spoiler, which is carbon fiber. We've also done this Brabus badge just here. And the thing that I can't show you, because there's not really any way for me to show you, is the 700 power kit. It's a little piggyback unit that you wire into the loom, and it essentially remaps the car, and the car now makes 700 brake. The final things that we did were this gigantic carbon fiber diffuser, which is complete with the Formula One style central fog light. And obviously the exhaust tips as well are Brabus branded. The interesting thing here is that the exhaust tips are a different size and shape to the standard ones, as in the AMG ones. So it means that you can't buy the exhaust without the diffuser. Similarly, you can't buy the diffuser without the exhaust. They have to be bought together in order to be installed. What we'll do now is we'll have a listen to how the car sounds with this exhaust installed. As always, if you've enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. We'd love you to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and let us know what you think about the car in the comments. Thanks for watching.